right, I'm here with Alan from Response Crew. Alan, how do you know if fascia board needs to get replaced?
Well, you want to look at the ends. If you check the ends, like over here, you see where you've got a lot of dry rot, where the screws were at. If you see that, you need to replace it. Other ways to look at the wood is if you look at it here, you can see that it's not level. It's got some cupping to it, and when the wood starts to cup, basically what it's going to do is start to pull this way, normally pulling outward. That's going to put pressure on the plywood decking on your roof. It's going to cause those nails to pop, staples to pull out, and then you get a lot of movement with it. The wind comes along, starts shaking it all apart.
And ultimately the roof is not safe.
Yes, definitely be an unsafe roof. But pretty obvious, but sometimes it's not. Sometimes everything may be in really good shape on the ends, but you may have somewhere back here on the back side of it where you got some splitting going on back inside here that you can't see from the outside.
Like this?
Yeah, you can get a lot of splitting going on. You may maybe split on the inside, but you may not be able to see it on the outside.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much.